Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the more button down below in the right side corner of the screen and click on the profile button at the top. Here you can set a profile picture by tapping on this camera icon at the top. You can import it from Facebook, from Google, Gravatar, or from your library. You can also change your name, then your location can be added to, as well as your bio, so you can write a few words about yourself as an introduction. After that, click on the done button at the top. You can attach your website's link to this section too, and you can add private information such as your email address. If you are done with adding these information about yourself and you would like to save it, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. If you want to, you can also check out your streak, then your weeks, your bookmarks, notes, friends, your badges earned, which passages have you highlighted, your notes, and basically all of your data can be checked out at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.